Hey guys, welcome to today's video. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Helen Carolina and I am a stay-at-home mom of 2. For today's video, we're going to be cleaning my refrigerator. As you can see, it is a mess and it's really dirty, so we have to get that done today. Thank you guys for joining me today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave and give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get started. So this is what the refrigerator looks like before. My door shelves are always the messiest one because it's usually where I put, like, if I slice a tomato in half, I will leave the half like on top, or onion or anything like that, so it would be the messiest. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out and place it on the counter. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the top shelf and clean the sides and everything that looks dirty. So once that is clean, I'm gonna remove everything from this cabinet, remove the cabinet because I have to wash it because look, it looks disgusting, and then just wash everything in the sink and make sure everything's nice and clean. This is a shelf that we mostly put our drinks in, so there was like milk spilled or juice. So I just go ahead and add some water, some soap, then I just dry it with cloth and then a napkin. Then I'm moving on to the cabinet and doing the same thing. This is where I keep my cheese, my tortillas, my eggs, and some ham. Look how much better it looks, nice and clean. Now it's time to put everything back. And I start off by putting the tortillas. That cheese had been there for a while, so I just threw it away. Some string cheese, that's my cheese blend. And I'm gonna add these little cheese into a container and place in there as well. I thought about just leaving them, like dumping them and leaving them there, but they look so much better organized. So now I'm just gonna put that top shelf back and add all the drinks back to the top of the refrigerator. I don't know why it took me some time to organize the drinks. I just couldn't organize it how I liked it, but finally got it. And then now it's time to put everything back into the middle shelf, which is pretty much just veggies, some salads, tortillas. I removed the bottom one now, and it's time to clean that one. That one is like the least dirtiest because I rarely put stuff there unless it's like leftovers and some vegetables that don't fit in the middle. And I can tell we have leftover pizza from the night before. And now it's time to get to the bottom, which is like the most disgusting spot from the refrigerator. And I'm guessing because it's the bottom and everything falls to the bottom, that's why this is so dirty. So I'm just go ahead and go with a Clorox wipe and just wipe everything that is able to get off. And then I'm going to go with a scrub and just clean everything with some soap. Then I'm just gonna go ahead with a paper towel and dry everything, and it looks nice and pretty. So now we're moving on to the door and we're doing the same thing, removing some things, but I'm gonna just go ahead and move the whole shelf together because it's not that hard and it's much easier. It'll save some time. I love that I'm able to remove the shelves because that makes the job so much easier. So with the door shelf, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Add some water, then some soap, dry it with a cloth towel, and then with some paper towel. So this is the last shelf, which is like the top one, because mine's just like the biggest shelf and the medium shelf and the smallest one on the bottom. So now that they're all done, I'm gonna go ahead and put them back and start placing everything back in place. And then this beautiful thing happened to me. I spilled jalapeno juice all over the place. And of course, I had to clean it all over again. Luckily, it didn't take that long. I just had to wipe it down. So I had the butter in one container, and then you're gonna see me with the cheese in another one, and it was like very empty, so I just decided to put the butter and the cheese together, and it fit perfectly. So yeah, this is pretty much it. You guys will see the results in a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. In the comment section, let me know how often you guys clean your refrigerators. Again, thank you guys for all the support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.